Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your garage door remote. First, locate the Learn button on your garage door opener's motor unit. This button is usually found near the antenna wire or the light cover. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries, as this is crucial for successful programming. If you are replacing an old remote, it's often helpful to clear any existing codes first. Now, let's get to the syncing. Press and quickly release the Learn button on your garage door opener. You typically have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Immediately, press and hold the button on your remote that you wish to program. Keep holding it until the opener's light flashes or you hear a click indicating successful pairing. If your remote isn't working after the initial attempt, don't worry. First, double-check the battery in your remote. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure you are standing within a few feet of the garage door opener during the programming process. Sometimes, simply repeating the steps slowly and precisely can resolve the issue. For added convenience, you can program multiple remotes for different vehicles or family members using the same method. Remember to regularly test your garage door's safety features, like the auto-reverse mechanism, to ensure proper function. Keeping the Learn button easily accessible will make future programming or troubleshooting much simpler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.